Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the tool for selecting, creating and verifying inventory for approved chemical compound. The tool is a spreadsheet with several tabs. The first tab showing the instruction on how to use this tool. This tool is connected directly to the MPI approved chemical compounds. This is the link for the web page. And to show you some information about the approved non-dairy maintenance compound. This information, there is a manual, approved maintenance compounds, non-dairy manual, and there are two more hyperlinks, and this tool is based on those of combining those by converting those two links into Excel and combining them in one spreadsheet to show all the compound, and also you can search the compound. And so this is the web page. Show a screen for search for certain compound, but and I'll give you an idea about the website, how the original or the official list it look like. So this one it show there are 4,944 records, and the record for each compound is here. It give the applicant name. This one is the contact and address of the applicant. Then a table for compound name, description, approval code, approval date. For the approval code, there is a hyperlink to the code. See, for example, for this one is saying this compound is approved under code C31. It will not take you to directly to the C31, but it take you to the list of the codes, and you have to search for C31. Here it is. This is the C31. So this is a brief idea about the approved maintenance compound, the non-dairy part. If we go to the spreadsheet, then this is the rest is more instruction on how to use the tool. But if you watch the video to the end, you will not need to go through this instruction. So this is the main. So this is the full list of the approved maintenance compound downloaded from those two links. So you can see the number of the compound, which is approximate 4955 compound. Now, for the operator to select a compound, you can use these three slicer to to narrow the options for selecting a chemical or maintenance compound. For example, if the operator needs acidic cleaner sanitizer, then click on the cleaning sanitizer and it give you this is approved under C42 code number 42, and there is only one company that make this product, which is Clark Industries. So in this case there is only one compound, there is no other options in this case. So this is how you select a maintenance compound from the list. Now you want to create inventory for this compound, so all what you need is to copy these cells, Control C, and go to the chemical inventory and add it to your chemical inventory, and always use this one values, and then now you got the chemical inventory updated. So you got, and you once you save it, so this is your updated approved maintenance compound. It's got all the information that you need: applicant address, applicant name, approval date, code description, approval code description, and compound name. To check this compound after 6 months or after a year, whether this compound still exists or not, open the checker tab and then click data, refresh all. So you will notice that this table will change, and if the compound found, it give you the name of the compound again, but if it is not found, then it tell you that this compound is not on the list or not found. So wait, this is it compare chemical inventory with the official website list, with the official list, and it give you the result. So there are those two compounds, but we have those names, and now this one, it need to be also refresh because this is for the old list. So this next one is, all we need to do is refresh. Now those two lines are matching, so both of them are found. Clark, Clark, Raid, Raid. So both of them are, and we know that because we already copied it from here and pasted it from here, and then this will check it. Now I'll show you how to verify a long list of compounds to find whether they are still exist or not. I got this amount which is from one of the operator. They got all this. This is their chemical register, which is doesn't match with the requirement, or the, see, it should have compound name, description, approval code, the code description, approval date, applicant, and all these things, while this one is showing only chemical name, supplier, class. So what I'll do, I copy this column, copy. So we need to check all these against the website. Are they correctly entered or obsolete or something? So we go to the chemical inventory and paste it into the chemical inventory and paste. So we just added it to this one. So this is the full list. Now we need to check each compound whether they are exist or not. Always make sure that there is no blank cell in the list. It will give error. And also the list is covered by the table format, so that you can see the format on this corner. You see this corner should be with the last compound on the list. So now we go to the checker and go refresh all and see what will happen. You see now, as I said previously, we need to do another refresh on this table. Right click, refresh. Now you see there are some compound found and some compound not found. So those compound which are found, you can enter their information from here, like for example belt grip. So if you click on this one, you can copy this information, Control C, and you can paste it into the chemical inventory. You see, you can find, you can, so you don't have to go to the website and all these things. So just now, if we go again to the checker, so you can do this for each of these found compound, because these are the list of the found compound. Now you are interested with the not found. The not found, you you can filter them, and you can check them one by one against the not found. These are the compounds that are not either not matching 100% with the official list, or they are obsolete. This spreadsheet is very sensitive. It match 100% the name with the name only. For example, if there is a space, extra space, it will not detect you. I will show you an example. This word, the correct name is a clean stock one word, but because it is not connected, it's not one word, it give not found. And for this one also there is an extra space. If you see, there is a space here. So if we remove the space, then the status will change, so it will be found. This one, if we remove the space here, it will remove the, but some of them, the name is written wrongly. For example, this one, Control C. If we search for this one in the all compound, first make sure that there is no filtered column, so that the search, we clear the search. Okay, and now we search it into this one, Control V. So there is no such compound, but we'll try to find whether there is such name or not. We try to remove part by part, and then we remove this one, and then so here it is. So the way that was written is wrong. The compound exists on the list, but the way that was written on the register is not us, not matching the official website. So this is the compound. In this case, because there are 3 or 4 grades for this compound, it would be better if you add another column, name it as comment, and you can say that I used sorry, copy, paste, and you used so now you got the correct name, so that next time when you check it against the official website, it will not give you an error. It will bring you the name, and you know that you are using this grade, not you are using one of these grades. So this is the correct name for the compound. You can copy it and paste it in here. Where is it? air call. So click on it, right click, paste. So now this is the correct name of these compounds. And there is another example for this one. Remove and then Control V. So there is no such compound. So what we'll do, try to either this one or we try to keep the 56 only and give you. So the compound is 556. Here it is, food grade. So we remove this one and the name should be like that. Okay, and this is now the correct name for the compound. Copy it and paste it into this one. And so on. So each compound you go through this list, filter it, try to find the matching one. If not found, then the compound is no longer on the official list. This one is also, it helps to minimize or the where to look for this compound. Like if you're looking for cleaners, you look in between C31 to C38, and then when you read about C31 to C38, you will find which match your need, because each one has got different condition of use. Now we move to some extra information about the chemical compound, because once you convert all these data into spreadsheet, you can easily find more info, you can analyze the results. So with this one, you can find how many compound named nano silver. It says 7 times. So the nano silver, some operator they put nano silver on the company, but we don't know which one is. If we click in here, it gives you the 7 compound. So these are the 7 compounds with different grade: 101, 32, 36, and yeah, and they are all sanitizer, but with different approval date. Okay, so this one it gives you perform. There are 7 names, 7 times repeated perform, as perform. So with different use and different company. This is a Space Industries, this is Exxon company. So that's why the full information would be good to have it on your inventory compound to differentiate each one, and always use a comment box if the name is a little bit different from this one, or if you need to give it a name or whatever, but don't change this one, because this one we need it has to be accurate 100% with the official website. And any comment on the compound, you can put it on the comment here. We create a new comment, call it comment. And of course you can add more information on this side, from this side, but not from the left side, because this left side is connected to the other spreadsheets. So don't add anything from this side. Most of the thing that you need to add, if you need, you add columns on the right side of the, otherwise the spreadsheet will not work. So this is by compound name, then by description it give you how many cleaner, like there are 715 cleaner. So you can click in here and it give you the whole 715 cleaner, and you can browse with them and you can select which company. So it give you some help of narrowing the options. Now by code, C31 is the highest number of compound approved under this code, 890 and so on, type C, and all these things. Just statistical information, how many compound approved. Of course, these things, it get updated, and like now, Ecolab, all this data get updated once you click here, data refresh all. So all these data on the other type, the statistics and everything, it will be updated by clicking on refresh all. So I will do another one to see that the one that we replace them, it will show here. And also at the same time, it update the register, the whole register, except this one. This table, you need, after each refresh, you need to right click and click refresh, because yeah. Now I'll do the last refresh so that it will show you how efficient is clean stock extra will be. Anyway, another refresh we have to do. Refresh. So these are the compound that we have changed, and now they are correct. These are correct. So it should be. So once we remove this one, and before that, sorry, I show you how the space also affect. If we look at those two, The problem is with the space. So if we go to the chemical inventory, a clean stock extra, and look for clean stock extra, and we'll remove only the space here. Okay, and the other compound is Capton. Control V, always use. So if I just remove the space, it will bring the compound. Or we do, yeah. So chemical inventory. So I remove the space from this one, and I remove the space from this one. It should bring them correct. So and another refreshing on this side. Clean stock, now correct. And the other one, yeah, yeah. So the other one is also disappeared from this list. If we release this one, yeah. So these all, this side are the compound that are found, and you can use this information from here. Like this one has got two compound, so you will need to select which one is that you are using. Is it 43 or 64, 61? Then copy and paste it against the name in here. And that's it. This is the information on how to use this tool to create, select, and verify your inventory of approved maintenance compound. Thank you.